Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, please do subscribe for the weekly videos, join the family. But today I'm really excited because this is the first on my channel. We're gonna put Morphe to the test, and I have to say they've been like dropping some fire recently with all of these collections and collaborations. I've got a whole big bag full of their products. I don't even know where to start, but we definitely need to review the JEFREE Star collaboration, the new like bronze collection, and also there's like a new foundation and concealers. So let's have a look at what I've got in this bag. So these are the liquid highlighters. We have this gorgeous Bronze Goals palette. I'm not sure, I think I will use this palette today. Look how gorgeous this is. We've got the JEFREE Star sponges, and we also have the JEFREE Star brush collection. I look forward to putting all of those to the test. Ooh, we have some Morphe liquid lipsticks. These are Hot Tropics, so from like the summer collection. Blend the Rules Sculpt and Shimmer palette. This is like a haul, isn't it? I went to a Morphe event and just stocked up basically because, I mean, why not? Oh, this looks beautiful. Okay, that is definitely something I'm going to be using. Yes. Okay, let's get into it. So I've just dampened my JEFREE Star and Morphe sponge. I've never used a Morphe sponge before. My cat is just enjoying all the packaging right now. Froggy! So I'm about to go in with my Fluidity Full Coverage Foundation. It's supposed to be a matte finish. This is the shade 2.70. I'm going to apply some to the back of my hand. So it's on my sponge. Wow, that's a pretty good match. Okay, let's press her in. Okay, I'm going to use the curved side just because that's what I'm used to. Actually, this is quite firm, you know. Like firmer than a beauty blender, but still soft and bouncy. So this is the Fluidity concealer in shade C2.15. Let's see how they blend in together. Very creamy. Oh wow, very matte. Okay, very full coverage as well. So it is concealing my freckles, but I mean, if you like full coverage, then you'll love this. It does dry quite quickly. So just a little tip is to blend quickly or make sure your sponge is nice and, well, just a little bit more damp than usual. I am going to use some powder. I don't know if Morphe do a translucent powder. I haven't got that anyway, but now is the time that I try the Morphe and JEFREE Star brushes. So I love the case. It's really cute. It's a perfect travel brush case, which I love. Oh, how many brushes have we got in here? 6. So these are the brushes. They are beautiful, I have to say. Very JEFREE. What one shall I use to powder? I think I'll use this one. And then I'm going to go in with the Morphe Filter Effect Filter 4. Oh, Filter 4 shade to just set under my eyes. Kind of in the places that I'd usually bake. But we're not baking today, so... And let's start contouring, shall we? I'm going to use the Morphe Highlight and Contour Palette. I'm going to start off with the more kind of grey shades, so a little bit of Donut and Debutante. Not sure how to pronounce that, but just a little dab. And then I'm going to go in with Enemy, the darkest one, to just warm myself up because that looks like it's got a little bit more warmth to it. I'm going to use this brush again. This is the JS2 brush. Just feel like it will sweep the contour powder nicely across my cheekbones so beautifully. It's going on so nicely. My skin does look pretty airbrushed. I feel like this is a really good palette for all skin tones, which not many contour palettes manage to actually nail. I'm just using a bit of that shade Enemy just to really warm up my forehead, and I feel like this is coming together actually. Sun-Kissed Glow. Okay, nose contour. What brush should we use? I'm going to use this brush. It's the JS5 brush. It looks like more of a blending eyeshadow brush, but I feel like it will still work. Just on the end of the nose, a little bit down the sides. Just lightly, we don't want a really brown nose. I literally live for nose contouring. I mean, any kind of contouring. I think I say this on every video. I'm like, I love contouring. It's my favourite part. It is legit Oh, maybe the lips. Contouring and lips. Okay. Hi, new favourite contour palette. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to give my face a little bit of this setting spray before I put the highlight on. I'm going to do highlight and then eyes and then lips, just because I fancy it really. And I kind of want, wow, this is such a fine mist. Oh, I need a little bit of blush actually. Let's put the highlighter on and then the blush. So this is the JS4 brush, and I'm going to go in with the shades Supernova and Cosmic, a little bit of a mix. I love the peachy iridescent tones in Supernova. Oh, love. Okay, this glow is seriously blinding. I'm just going to use a little bit of, this is the Morphe blush palette, maybe a little bit of Unapologetic and Goals, just to make it more of a nude pink. Oh wow, very, very pigmented. That kind of just merges everything together as well, like connects the bronze with the highlight. Loving how that's looking. Okay, let's go on to brows. This is the micro brow pencil in Mocha. Hopefully this is the right shade. Oh, this is a great colour. I'm so impressed with this foundation. I'm so excited to see if it wears for the rest of the day. So I'm going to check in later with you, of course. I'll give it about, I mean, as long as I can really. This is my makeup look for the day, so you never know. After 10 more hours, might have melted off, but I'll let you know if it has. Safe to say, this little micro pencil, it's perfect. I absolutely love it, and I'm using it just to kind of draw on some extra freckles, as per usual. I love my freckles, but I like full coverage foundation, so I have to bring them back to life. I have no idea what I'm going to create, but this is the 35C. I'm not going to do like any crazy cut creases, but I want this to be a really like bronzed glowy look. So I'm just going to start with like a neutral brown shade. I'm using the brush that I used to nose contour with. I'm just going to get that all over the lid, a bit underneath too. Let's take this gorgeous pinky shade. It's like a plummy shimmer shade, and I'm going to just concentrate this on each side of my lid. This isn't actually going on too shimmery, which I like, because I want the real shimmer to happen in the middle of my lid. I'm loving a halo eye lately because it's actually the easiest thing to do when you haven't got a lot of time, and it's very effective. I'm going to kind of wing this out. I like it to be quite blown out for the more feline look. Okay, now I'm going to go for just a tiny dab of this kind of dark, warm brown, and just take this onto the lash line, the outer corners, and just the tiniest bit in my inner corner, but try not to get too much into your tear duct. You want to keep that free for a little bit of luminosity and highlight. Oh, I just love the formulation of Morphe eyeshadows. I'm going to go in with the orange and that peach, and I'm going to use my finger to pack that onto the middle there. Sorry about that. Then I'm just going to blend that. I really love that. So beautiful. Then under the eye, I'm going to take that orange shade onto like my blending brush and just really build up the underneath of my eye with that burnt orange shimmery shade. I'm going to use the shade Flare. It's like a little liquid drop just for the centre. Yeah, that's definitely added the extra dimension I was after. Also, I'm going to sweep that across my brow bone. I'm also going to use that on my inner corner. A little bit of a blend just to bring in each side so the halo effect is in full force. Okay, let me do the other eye and then I'll get back to you. Okay, so both eyes are done. I'm loving the bronzy vibes. I just need to do my mascara and then lashes. I'm going to use the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara because I don't have a Morphe one. Sorry about that. But I love this mascara. Oh, something I didn't tell you is that I just kind of lined my lashes with the JEFREE Star, oh my goodness, this is so small, JS7 brush, just with like the black shadow, just so the lashes connect with my eyeline, and I've kept the mascara just to kind of my top lashes. These are the Peachy Pie lashes by Unicorn Lashes. I haven't actually tried these before, so I'm excited to see how they look. They're so beautiful. Just gonna blend them in with my own lashes using that mascara. This just kind of makes the look a little bit more sexy, do you know what I mean? I'm in love. Now on to the lips. So I'm gonna use this liquid lipstick, which is the shade, oh, I can't read, Virgin. And then I'm gonna use from the Hot Tropic lip gloss collection, the shade Kiss Kiss, which is a gorgeous, almost like a peachy pink sunset colour. And then also the shade Sunnies, which is a gorgeous gold. And of course I'm going to do it in my usual lip tutorial style, so commence the lip tutorial. And your girl is back with the final look. Oh my goodness, I loved how this lip combo applied. I have to say, I'm kind of living for the whole look. I gave my hair a little bit of a zhuzh because I've got no extensions in. I kind of feel a little bit bald. I thought I'd go au naturel today. But let's talk about what's on my face. Let's start with the JEFREE Star collaboration. Let me be real and honest with you about this collaboration. Did I enjoy the application of the brushes? Yes, I love Morphe brushes. Was I blown away by the collaboration and the kind of collection? No. And that's my honest opinion. I just kind of expected something a little bit more, maybe more of an extravagant brush collection, but like 6 brushes is it? And a couple of sponges. For the hype, I'm a little bit disappointed, but I love the products and the application. I'm not knocking the quality. I just feel like I wanted more. Do you know what I mean? So that's a good thing to want more, but I feel like the James Charles collaboration kind of blew that one out the water because the palette was insane. It is insane. It's not a competition, you know, they've got totally different vibes, but just saying that if you're gonna follow a James Charles launch with what JEFREE brought, you kind of need to up your game a bit. However, onto the products, the application, the foundation, the Fluidity foundation went on gorgeously. I love the concealer, I love the bronzing and contour powders in the palette. I love that Bronze Goals 35C palette. I love how it's applied. I feel like the end result has really pleased me and hopefully you've enjoyed it too. But now the real test commences. So I'm about to wear this for the rest of the day. I've even got my friends coming around tonight. I'm going to be cooking dinner and I'm going to check in with you tonight and let you know how it's holding up. The only thing I will say, I'm going to zoom you in. The only thing I'll say is I'm already going a little bit oily. The foundation isn't airbrushing my pores away as of yet, but I don't feel like it's a fair test because I use my translucent powder every single day. So to give it a fair test, I'm going to take my Laura Mercier translucent powder and I am going to use this in the places that I would usually bake, but I love the end look. I'm going to zoom you in even more. Take a look at my eyes, my lips. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I am going to check back in with you later, so stay tuned for that, and I really pray that this foundation comes through because if it does, it might just be my new fave. But I'll be back with you in a bit. Oh my goodness guys, I nearly forgot to, oh my goodness, wow. I definitely don't look like I did earlier. Nearly forgot to check in with you. It's like 11:30, 12 at night. It's been well over 10 hours wearing this makeup. I've cooked dinner, I've laughed with my friends, I've gone for a jog, I've sweated, I've worked out, I've cleared half of my makeup room. We've done a lot. So it couldn't be more perfect timing to actually evaluate this situation that I haven't looked at. I've just peeled off my lashes, which is why my makeup looks like it is sliding off, to be honest. It's been a lovely base for my contour and highlight actually, that's all in place. The eyeshadow I mean, do I love the products? Well, yeah, based on application and the final look, absolutely. But would I wear them if I was going to be out all day or needed my makeup to last through a show? Probably not, if I'm being honest. I've creased under my eyes and I've definitely got, why do I keep doing that? And I've definitely got a little bit of foundation slippage around the T-zone. But, you know, it's not the end of the world. I feel like if I was to use whatever was left on my beauty blender, my translucent powder from earlier, I feel like this would just fix the situation slightly. Yeah, I think it saved it a bit, but overall I don't think it's the most long wearing. I mean, I am confident these products will see you through many hours if you're not doing anything as strenuous as I have today, which is quite rare for me, but you know, new year, new me and all that. I am overall quite impressed. I just am a little bit gutted the foundation isn't gonna be my go-to for long wear, but it's definitely going to be my go-to for photographs, because let me tell you, I took so many gorgeous photographs and it really did make my skin look flawless but luminous at the same time. All the products just worked beautifully together. So yeah, overall a success. And thank you so much for watching my beauties. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if you want me to do more kind of tutorials and wear tests like this. I can't wait to film some more bronzy, maybe summery looks for you. Just let me know what you want in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a little thumbs up. That would mean the world to me. But until next time, my beauties, love you lots. Mwah. Bye.